This is project 3 of NLN 100. Here our problem statement is side effects of vaccines. Content of our project includes problem and our research to understand it, solutions explored by us, solutions suggested by our team and how it works, problem we see in implementing our solution. A very obvious question arises, why vaccines have side effects? A vaccine's purpose is to trigger an autoimmune reaction. Side effects such as fever, chills, and fatigue after vaccination is an indication that our body is responding to the vaccine. Side effects can vary from mild to severe. Generally, side effects are mild, but in some cases it can even lead to death. Some of the solutions explored by our team: using pharmacy-based immunizer, using EpiPen, using well-tolerated adjuvant, purifying toxins before detoxification, and of course, using alternate vaccine components.
The first solution is using pharmacy based immunizer. It is imperative that pharmacies monitor their immunization practices. If immunizers identify any type of problem, they must correct it immediately and ensure that it will not occur again. The second one is using epinephrine. Anaphylaxis, an acute and potentially life threatening allergic reaction, has been reported following COVID 19 vaccination. There are no contradictions to the administration of epinephrine for the treatment of anaphylaxis. Although adverse cardiac events such as myocardial infarction or acute coronary syndrome have been reported in some patients who received epinephrine for the treatment of anaphylaxis. The third one is by adding well tolerated adjuvants. We can also reduce the side effects by either using well tolerated adjuvants which do not elicit the production of antigenic specific IgE antibodies, which is responsible for adverse reactions, or by using non adjuvants highly immunogenic polymerized antigens.
Now let's see about problems in implementing our solutions. Using epinephrine. We use epinephrine as to treat allergic reactions caused by vaccines. Ironically, epinephrine itself causes some side effects. Adjuvants. Using vaccines to which adjuvants are added causes redness, pain and swelling, etc. Detoxification. We should purify the toxins before detoxification, as the reactogenic accessory antigens get covalently bound to the toxins during detoxification. Thank you.